Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning. My name is Harunshit, and in this video I'm going to share with you guys how you can find supervisor for your PhD scholarship. Okay, because for Romania Scholarship for PhD you need supervisor for acceptance letter. So in this video I'm going to explain a whole process how you can find a PhD supervisor for PhD scholarship. And my last two video, it was about Romania Scholarship introduction and step-by-step guidance how you can apply in this scholarship. You should not watch this video, go in description box and watch this video. Okay, let's dive in this video to find supervisor.
Hello everybody, my name is Harunshit, and in this video we are going to see how we can find supervisor for Romania Scholarship. In my last two videos I explained about Romania Scholarship and how you can apply for this scholarship. And because for PhD students you need to find supervisor and get acceptance letter. So in this video we are going to know how you can find supervisor profile for your scholarship applying and for your acceptance letter. So guys, first you go to Google, okay, here, and type here Romania University. Okay, Romania University, go to Google and type Romania University, and then go down. You can see here college universities of Romania. Okay, for example, we go there first University of this is just like a Puchar sit is type in university in Romanian language. So we got this university. Okay, this is actually a university official website. We go there, and then here we see, here you can see actual professor and researchers. Okay, professors and researchers, just click here professor and researchers, and then you can see here faculty of geology, geography, faculty of history, faculty of biology, faculty of chemistry, faculty of political science, and faculty of social works and theology, and faculty of orthodox and theology, and faculty of Romanian, and faculty of letters. So according to your faculty, according to your department, just select department. For example, I select faculty of chemistry, so we go faculty of chemistry, and then you can see here this is professor full name, faculty and department. You can so go down, you can see this is actually a professor's email. You can see the professor, this type of icons. When you see this type of icons, you can see this is the professor email. Okay, just click on this. Yeah, after click on this, you can see here just like yeah, this is a professor Camelia Bala. This is professor's email. Okay, this is professor email. So if you want her CV, just look, this is CV. Click on this CV and you can get her CV. Look, this is download. You can open this CV. So this is a total whole CV about this supervisor, this professor, and his research and our activities, awards and publications. You can also go through from her publication, his research interest. Look, his research interest. So you can contact with her, with this supervisor. So you can guys see, you can search according to your research. Okay, you can see guys here, this is different faculties, faculty of letters, history. You can search here. Now we also search another university. Go back guys, Google, and we search this university. Look, for example, we search this university. Go this university website, and yeah, this university website. So after going to this university website guys, you can see about just wait, my internet is slow, just wait a while please. So guys, if you have any problem about this scholarship, you can watch out my last two videos. In these videos I explain this scholarship for bachelor, master and PhD. Both students can apply in this scholarship, and how you can apply the complete process I also explain in these videos. So guys, look, this university, and you can just go faculties. Okay, we go for faculties, and then after faculties, just choose according to your faculties which faculty you have. For faculty of chemistry and chemical engineering. Okay, if we go there, faculty of chemistry and chemical engineering, guys, you can see, just wait for a while, different departments will be open after this. Yeah, different departments. For example, this is department of chemistry. If we go there, department of chemistry, guys, so after department of chemistry, you can see here, look, these all are professor, guys. Okay, these all are professors. You can also check theirs, just like here you can also check their email, CVs, and each and everything, their IDs and their research direction, each and everything you can check here, guys. These all are professors. Okay, these all are professors. So guys, this is a way how you can find a supervisors professor for PhD program and to get for acceptance letter. Okay, so this is all about today lecture. Now you can find supervisor easily, and see you in next, guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz.